Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook pasta Alfredo. First, gather your ingredients: 1 pound of fettuccine, 2 sticks of unsalted butter, 1 pint of heavy cream, and 2 cups of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Bringing your dairy to room temperature is key for a smooth, emulsified sauce. Also, prepare a large pot of water, adding about 1 tablespoon of salt per gallon, ready for your pasta. Now, let's get cooking. Drop your fettuccine into the boiling salted water and cook until it's perfectly al dente, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. While the pasta cooks, melt 2 sticks of unsalted butter in a large, wide skillet over medium-low heat. Once melted, gradually whisk in 1 pint of heavy cream, letting it warm through to a gentle simmer, but do not boil. The next step is crucial for a silky sauce. Remove your cream and butter mixture from the heat. Then, gradually add 2 cups of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, stirring constantly until it's completely melted and the sauce is smooth and glossy. This off-heat method prevents the cheese from clumping. Finally, transfer your cooked fettuccine directly into the sauce, tossing gently to ensure every strand is beautifully coated. Your delicious pasta Alfredo is now ready to be served. Plate it immediately, perhaps with a sprinkle of extra Parmesan cheese and some fresh chopped parsley for a touch of color. This rich, creamy dish is perfect as a comforting main course or a luxurious side. It's truly a classic for a reason. Remember to check the description for a link to that insightful book and other great deals. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.